We just got a new wig. We just got a new wig. We just got a new wig. I wonder who it's from. Hey everybody, it's your girl Bomb Nia. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's your girl Bomb Nia. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now today I'm doing a wig review. This is from the company Jaja Hair. I believe that's what it's called. Jaja Hair. It's a new wig company from Amazon. If you got that Amazon Prime, like I told y'all, this comes in 2 days. Now this hair is 180 density. It's a headband wig. It's a deep wave wig. It's 20 inches and it was $106. I will put everything in the description box for you guys to see if you guys like this wig. So let's just get into this review. It did come with a wig cap. Y'all know this is my favorite. If you have been watching my hair reviews, y'all know this is my favorite part of the wig because a sister need her wig cap. So it comes with 3 headbands, and I like the fact that it comes with 3 headbands because the wigs that I've been getting, they only came with 2. So this is 3 headbands to add to my headband collection. So the wig is wrapped up in plastic just like I like it. Keep the corona away. Okay, straight out the pack, it looks exactly like this, and these waves are so cute. The hair is really soft. And listen, I don't lie about my reviews. I don't care who sent me what. I'm always going to be honest with you guys because I don't want y'all wasting money, and I don't like to waste money. This is my hands going through it. Usually headband wigs come with like 150 density or 120. So this one is really full and it feels really full. These are the ends of the hair. 1, 2, 3, 4 combs on the inside, as you can see. And this is the construction under the wig. It comes with the Velcro, of course, straps to hold your wig down. Let's put this bad boy on. So this is how the wig looks with no headband. I think this is really cute. I like the fact that it's really full. Like I said, it's 180 density, so you get a lot of hair. This is how it looks in the front, and this is how it looks in the back. Y'all know I like to show the back because we don't want it to be stiff. I love the fact that it's so curly. Like, sis, what y'all think? What is it giving? Is it giving Rick James, or is it giving like, I don't know. What y'all think? I'm always saying what it's giving. What y'all think it's giving? Now let me try on one of these headbands that they sent me. Okay, so this is how I look with the headband on. And what do you guys think? I love the quality of this hair. Like, let me see if it sheds as I run through my hands through it. So you just get a little bit of shedding. I don't know if you guys see it. A little bit of shedding, but I think that's like, I think that always happens with curly hair, and because the density is just so much, that's not a big deal for me. Or I mean, if it's a big deal for y'all, then you know, that's you, but it's not a big deal for me because this headband wig comes with so much hair. Like, look at this. Okay, let me see how it looks wet. I'm gonna wet this hair a little bit, and I'm going to put some mousse in it. I got this mousse, the olive oil, and I'm gonna throw a little bit of that in there, and I'll just come back and show you how it looks. I just like literally just dip my head in water. So don't mind my shirt being wet. This is how the hair looks wet. This is how it looks from the side wet. And this is how it looks in the back wet. And I think it still looks cute. It still has volume, and you can really tell that it's 180 density. Still just a little bit of shedding. This is what I got from rubbing my hands harshly through the wig. It's giving Instagram model just came out the pool. Like, it's giving Dominican Barbie. Let me do a couple of styles for y'all, because y'all know I love my half up, half down. So this is how it looks in the half up, half down. This is how it looks in the back with the half up, half down. I never show you guys that. You could also use your own headbands. I got this headband from the dollar store. The dollar store got some nice stuff. I am a big dollar store shopper. So yeah, you could wear your regular headbands and it'll stay. It'll stay. It ain't gonna move. It ain't gonna move. It ain't gonna move. This is how it looks in a high up ponytail. This is the back. So maybe if I adjust the straps a little, you won't be able to see it. I don't know if you guys see it because I cannot see the back of my head. I don't know if you guys can see the Velcro, but this is how it looks in the back, with the hair high up. So yeah, this is how it looks on the side. But I'm really feeling these curls. It seemed like when I wet it, the curls got, you know, curlier. And I absolutely like it. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And most importantly, stay bomb.